Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I got a new toy with me. I got the ACEdc soap in Zirc, of course. So this thing comes with some extra balls, because this is a track slider, and some stickers, and a new box with the new graphics. But here you have the ACEdc soap. It's a pretty cool one, guys. So let's check out size first. You get 1.01 inches, and you get 1.8 inches. And let's see, this thing is 0.67 inches tall. So it's not that big. Let me show you a couple other ACEdc, like that's the Milkia. Right over here you get the Contra in Zirc. Oh, Zirc goodness, guys. That is the Coke bottle cap. Look at the 3B, one of my favorite. Here you get to see the Lauti mini dealer, and another couple. Right over here you get the ACEdc, that's the gamer clicker, that's the slider, sorry. And I want to show you also like one Lauti shuffle right there, so you get an idea of the size for this fella. And what is this guy? It's a pretty cool slider. It's running on tracks, so it has magnets exposed, and there's like a couple of tracks going on both sides on each piece. So as you can see, each piece has 2 tracks and 6, in this case, ceramic balls, which are free to spin, and you are free to lose them. But if you catch them on time, you're gonna be able to put them back, and boom, and this just snaps in place. So this thing is pretty cool. It has a nice curved design, like a soap bar would be, and has some texturing ACEdc soap on the top, and just slick and smooth stone-washed zirconium for the back. You have 99 made of these. Look at this, guys. So, you know, when you ask me where can I get this, probably it's too late, because these things are very limited in production, small batches, produced really in small amounts, and once they are sold out, you can only find them on the secondary market. But anyways, this is a very cool looking slider. It's just a slider, doesn't really, I mean, there's like a kind of like a soft click only on this side, but it's gonna be mainly a slider, and because of the shape, you're gonna mainly and likely hold it this way. I mean, even you can hold it like that, but this side is too heavy, so it's probably more comfortable just playing like that. So if you add pressure, you see it's not silent, right? You can, even if you squeeze it stronger, like for example, it would be, I don't know, like in this case, right? So you have this sound, or like if you just squeeze a little bit stronger, you kind of have a dampened and almost silent toy. In this case, this thing clicks strong. If we remove the balls, what's gonna happen? Just keep them here. Very different feel. You can slide it as well, you see, because it the shape just allows that to be slid around, but it's you risk like just to fall off. So that's why probably the best option is to have it running with the balls, because it also creates a nice feeling into the hands. Also, you have some stainless steel spare parts in the box, and yeah, guys, this is a pretty cool and neat one. I like how it looks. It feels great in the hand. I like the weight, actually, because being in Zirc, this thing is a little bit heftier than other ones, like, for example, the stainless steel. So in grams is going to be today 101.9, so 100 grams of Zirc. Yeah, it's not going to be cheap as well. I think these guys are in the $200 range. So not a cheap one, but definitely a pretty cool one. And look at this. That's sleek. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.